Today we will demonstrate the drawing method of iBeam. First, open SolidWorks. Create a new part. Stretch a datum. Modify size. Length 100, width 8. After the size is correct, select Trim to delete the excess lines. Exit Sketch. Set the stretch length. The rounded corners. The size of the rounded corners according to the actual modification. Others are also added. Can stretch and cut on this surface as needed. Draw a rectangle, draw a cycle. Modify size. Make sure this is bumping. Can choose from full penetration or fixed size. This selection runs through all. Save in IGS format. Open the typesetting software. Input drawings. Note LC steel should be ticked. iBeam cutting, we need to make a correction. First, configure the cutting head. According to the actual install of the machine tool cutting head model, select the last one. Save. Then perform automatic adjustment of the contour vector. The value doesn't need to be changed. Click OK. Show that the adjustment was successful. Number of modifications. Click to Layout. Modify the value according to the length of the pipe. Click Export to export individually. So we can process it.